LaptopKeyboard.com, your source for replacement laptop keyboards. Notice, the keyboard installation procedure is different for every laptop model. At LaptopKeyboard.com, we have created a searchable database of keyboard installation guides. Our database will allow you to find the exact installation guide for your laptop keyboard. Simply go to LaptopKeyboard.com, click on the Installation Guides link, select your laptop brand, series, and model, and you'll be taken to the custom video guide for your laptop. That's all. You're now ready to install your laptop keyboard.
Remove the battery from the back of the laptop. Remove the screws from the back of the keyboard. Gently remove the front plastic cover. Remove the screws above the keyboard. Gently lift your keyboard upwards. We will now disconnect the keyboard cable from the motherboard. Slide out the lock mechanism and release the keyboard. This is what the keyboard looks like. We will now install your new replacement keyboard. Place the keyboard cable back in place. Slide the plastic lock to secure the cable. Align your keyboard by matching the grooves on the bottom of your keyboard. Screw the top of the keyboard back in place. Place the top cover back and snap back in place. Turn your laptop over and place the screws back in. Slide your laptop battery back in place. Your keyboard is back in place and aligned perfectly.
LaptopKeyboard.com, your source for replacement laptop keyboards.